In today's world, many jobs, especially in harvesting, are evolving so rapidly that humans are quietly being pushed aside, almost without noticing. Machines are no longer just assisting. They are taking control, replacing traditional methods with robotic precision and advanced systems that work faster, smarter, and with an almost unsettling accuracy. But the real question is, are we witnessing progress, or are we slowly being replaced? In this Machines Visit video, we reveal 11 extraordinary machines that don't just perform tasks. They completely redefine how work is done. Starting with the X-Band R5090, a mechanical PVC tarpaulin system developed by the Pelinet Group. This machine can harvest up to 300 kilograms of fruit in a single cycle while increasing efficiency by 25%. Whether it's olives, almonds, cherries, or oranges, it handles them all effortlessly. But the real surprise comes when it automatically extends up to 11 meters, covering areas that would normally take hours in just moments. When paired with the Pelinet Buggy 5000 shaker, the system becomes even more powerful, harvesting up to 1,200 trees per day with an astonishing 99% efficiency rate, leaving almost nothing behind. Something that once required an entire team working tirelessly for hours. But it wasn't always this way. In the past, harvesting trees and bushes was done manually, a slow, exhausting, and often risky process, until machines like the Vanadale Woodcracker changed everything. Designed with a flexible single-grip harvester head, it ensures cutting is controlled and efficient. Yet beneath that lies a deeper reality. This machine is built not just to assist, but to replace human effort. It drastically reduces cutting time while allowing operators to work in extreme terrains, steep hills, and areas that were once nearly impossible to access. Its powerful crane system, combined with a torque mechanism that doubles force without reducing speed, ensures maximum performance, while its hardened steel blades, available in various sizes, make sure no tree can resist for long. Then comes the Lasky Stump Cutter, a machine that removes wooden stumps so completely it feels as if they never existed, with a smoothly rotating milling disc and a turntable system that guarantees stability during operation. Its 650mm cutting width delivers both power and precision, while the braked undercarriage and compact design allow it to operate even in tight spaces and gardens. And with an automatic locking system, the operator's workload is reduced significantly. In more extreme scenarios, such as military operations or disaster zones, the Falcon Trackway system plays a critical role, having been used for over 40 years and trusted by more than 40 military forces worldwide. Designed in the United Kingdom, it provides rapid access across naval, land, and air operations, especially in harsh environments where reaching certain areas would otherwise be impossible, making it essential in disaster relief and emergency situations where every second counts. It is also widely used in mining and utility industries, particularly in dangerous or remote locations, with continuous innovation driven by skilled engineers to meet evolving challenges. Even tasks like removing weeds and grass have been transformed, with tools like the steel rotary scissors designed to work efficiently on gravel and paved surfaces while maintaining low-spin mowing near traffic areas to reduce disturbance. Its powerful cutting system prevents blockages, and the easily replaceable blades ensure minimal downtime, making it both practical and efficient. For tasks requiring height and flexibility, DynoLift offers an unexpected level of performance, with its 3.5-ton structure operating at speeds that often surprise users. Originally designed for rental use but equipped with advanced features like excellent basket visibility, a high-performing boom, and multiple jacking solutions, making it smooth and intuitive to operate despite its power. Finally, when it comes to firefighting, where conditions can become too dangerous for humans and traditional methods fail, the LUF 60 Firefighter emerges as a game-changer, a remote-controlled machine capable of entering extreme danger zones. Powered by a 140-horsepower diesel engine, it delivers unmatched strength and reliability, operating in conditions that would be life-threatening for humans. Raising a chilling thought, machines are no longer just tools we use. They are becoming the ones that take our place. This powerful system allows extinguishing and rescue teams to push directly into the heart of the fire, even in conditions where survival itself seems impossible. What makes it even more intense is its atomized water jet, capable of releasing billions of tiny droplets that can reach distances of up to 60 meters, attacking flames with precision and force. But the real advantage lies in its mobility and control. as the crawler chassis gives it unmatched flexibility, allowing it to move through debris, remove obstacles, and even climb stairs or ramps with inclines of up to 30 degrees, places no human could safely operate. Moving from destruction to precision cleaning, part of EcoSpin's advanced lineup is the SpinaClean, a lightweight yet highly effective surface cleaner designed for deep and thorough results. Unlike traditional cleaners that simply push dirt around, this machine's stainless steel body traps sludge and debris directly on concrete surfaces, preventing unnecessary spread. Whether it's rooftops or car lanes, it delivers consistent performance, making it an essential tool for controlled cleaning. When it comes to something as simple as collecting fallen fruits, even that has been transformed into an efficient and almost effortless task with Gardenia's ComboSystem Fruit Collector. Designed to eliminate the need for bending down, its flexible plastic struts easily pick up fruits between 4 to 9 centimeters in size, whether walnuts or apples, as they smoothly roll into the collector. The side opening adds another level of convenience, allowing users to empty the container without strain or additional tools, while its firm attachment ensures a completely wobble-free experience, significantly improving operator comfort. Compatible with a wide range of handles, from wooden to aluminum, it adapts easily, and its practical shovel function allows fruit collection even in tight spaces near tree trunks, areas that were once difficult to manage. Shifting from land to sea, the EcoWave power system introduces a completely different kind of innovation, one that taps into the raw energy of ocean waves to generate clean and affordable electricity. Its design is both simple and clever, allowing floaters to be attached to existing man-made structures, making installation and maintenance far less demanding than expected. Operating through a grid-connected wave energy array under power purchase agreements, this technology has gained global recognition, earning the United Nations Climate Action Award and receiving support from major programs like ERDF Horizon 2020 and Israel's Energy Ministry. Recognized as a pioneering solution, it has also been acknowledged by the Solar Impulse Foundation as an efficient and forward-thinking innovation. Finally, we come to the FOEK plowing technology, a system built to dominate virtually every type of terrain imaginable, from mud and gravel to sandy, dry, frozen, or even storm-affected ground. This powerful innovation transforms soil-related projects, making them faster and far more efficient. Whether it's simple cable plowing or complex tasks like laying cables and pipes across ditches, streams, rivers, or even coastal waters, it performs with precision and strength, adapting to environments that would normally slow down or completely stop traditional methods. And with that, we've reached the end of these 11 incredible machines and tools that are not just improving work, they're redefining it. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments about what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next innovation might just change everything you thought you knew.